While there are many types of cleaning methods, we are going to only briefly discuss 4 categories of cleaning methods in this training: dry cleaning, wet cleaning, cleaning in place, and cleaning out of place. All of these methods are generally used after loose soils have already been removed, such as by preliminary rinsing, scraping, vacuuming, brushing, or wiping. Dry cleaning is so named because it does not employ any liquids as part of the cleaning process. Dry cleaning methods include scraping, brushing, compressed air, sweeping, and vacuuming. For example, I used to work in a flour mill that used a lot of heavy equipment that created lots of dust and loose grain. We would brush off equipment, scrape down screens, and then blow down the facility with compressed air, starting at the rafters and moving down the walls and through the equipment all the way to the floor. Soon, the air would clear, and the floor would be entirely covered with dust, dirt, grime, and loose grain. Then we would sweep and vacuum the floor until the facility was finally clean. As you can imagine, this dry cleaning process involved a lot of dust. In dry cleaning environments such as flour mills, where finely granular dust is present, there is a risk that a dust explosion could occur. Dust explosions occur when the following elements come together. Dust becomes airborne in a sufficient concentration. Oxygen is present. Dry conditions in a confined area with an ignition source that ignites. If such conditions can exist in your facility, make plans to eliminate the chances of a dust explosion. Wet cleaning is so named because it employs liquid cleaning agents as part of the cleaning process. Wet cleaning methods include the following: spraying, which involves spraying hot water or steam onto equipment; soaking, which involves soaking an item with a hot solution for a period of time; foaming, which involves using a foam generator to apply a highly concentrated foam solution that will cling to the surface and prevent rapid drying; gelling, which involves using gel instead of foam to again hold the concentrated solution to the surface for an extended period of time. Gels often do hold longer than foams do. High pressure washing, which involves spraying a cleaning compound at high pressure such that the force will remove the soil. Cleaning in place, which involves running chemicals and rinse water through a piece of equipment to clean it without taking it apart. And cleaning out of place, which involves disassembly and the soaking or spraying of parts using automated washers or basins until the parts are clean.